Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a typing text in your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website where I have installed Divi theme. So let me go to dashboard, and after that make sure that you have installed Divi plugins. So just you can search with Divi, and after that here you can find out some plugins. So just you can try these plugins. For now you can install this plugin. So this plugin can add various modules in your Divi WordPress website that will increase its functionality and features. Here you can see it has various installations. After that, let's visit front page and enable Visual Builder. So if you have multiple pages, then you can go to pages, and after that you can edit any of the page that you want. Here you can see page builder is loading. After that we will be able to see some modules in our Divi website. Now let's click here. You can also add a new section. Here you can see plus, and after that just add regular. So now we can select 2-column row, and after that here you can see, now scroll down. So these are various modules. Just you can search typing. Here you can see SuperMe typing text. Okay, now here you can add some text. For example, enable website design offers web design, SEO, marketing. After text we can add services. So now here you can see how typing text works, and you can also enable typing text on a new line, so that will display in a new line. And here you can see for the after text there is also for new line option, and here you can set the typing speed. Okay, these are various options. After that you can link this typing text, and you can also add a background color. Then go to design tab. You can customize it. You can set the font size, font color. Here you can see color is changed. Now you can also increase or decrease font size. Alright. After that you can apply shadow. Then here you can see for the before text there are separate options. Then you can add a border. After that on the end here you can see animation. Then click yes. After that click 3 dots, then save. So this is the way to add typing text in your Divi WordPress website. Let's refresh. So here you can see the final result.